Huzaifa says, what are your thoughts on adding the location, state, and zip code for all locations, including supporting locations in the footer of the LLG sites? I heard it helps ranking, but not sure if it will work for organic only assets. Well, it probably would, but again, you can test with it. Huzaifa, I don't really have any thoughts on it. I haven't done that in a long time because I don't think it's necessary because you can again accomplish all of that through Schema so that it's not stuffed into the public facing page. And I never liked that. I hated that when I would go on the websites and they would have that section and it's every fucking zip code in the city. And some cities are big cities and there's literally dozens and dozens of zip codes and all that. And it just looks like crap. And why do that when you can accomplish that with Schema, structured data, for real? So I mean, you can test with it. I'm not discouraging you from testing with it. But what are my thoughts? It doesn't need to be published on the page because it can be accomplished through the Schema just the same, right? So I would do that so it's invisible to the user, the visitor, but the bots see it. Okay. But yeah, if you want to test with it, test with it. And I'd love to hear if you do test with it, if you could report back and let us know. Did it improve performance or hurt performance? But then go test that against pages that have the same data, but just in the schema instead of publicly shown on the page. Does that make sense? And then compare your results, right? Because my guess is you'll be able to achieve the same thing and make the page more visually appealing to a user to not have all that stuff on it. But again, that's just my opinion, so you're free to test.